Hello and welcome back to Learn with Lou. Today I'm going to teach you how to get rid of render files on Final Cut Pro, because if you've got a Mac, I'm guessing if you've bought an SSD version and you're using Final Cut Pro because SSD is faster, that your SSD storage is not great. I know on my Mac I've only got 128 gig and that goes in about a few seconds when you start adding render files in. So today I'm going to teach you how to get rid of your render files. Now I will say you will need to install some software. I use Omni Disk Sweeper. It's a free software. I'll leave a link in the description to download it, and this will help you to get rid of the render files because they're very hard to find in Finder. So it's easier if you just get a disk sweeper and do it. So I'll show you how to use it on Omni Disk Sweeper. So what you want to do is open up Omni Disk Sweeper. As you can see at the minute, I've got my Macintosh hard drive, which has 109 gigabytes used, 121 gigs in total, and I've got an SD card. So what you want to do is click on the drive you want. So I want my Macintosh HD drive, and this will open this up and size it. So to find your render files, what you want to do is open your user or the user you are using. So if you've got multiple users on your Mac, then you want to select the one you've been rendering on. So I've been rendering on my own personal one, so there we go. And then what you want to do from here is it'll give you all these options and it sizes them up. So you want to click on movies. From movies, you then want to go to untitled.final cut pro bundle. As you can see, this is 19.8 gigabytes, which is quite a lot when I only have 128 gig in 128 gig in total. So what you want to do is click on that and then click on one of the others. So here I've got all these files, Gated Theories, TikTok, so 8.2. So click on Gated Theories and there is your render file. So 2.6 gigabyte of render files I do not need. The videos are done. The render files I don't really need to be stored on there. So what you want to do is click on the render file and literally press trash. That's it, done. And get rid of these TikTok ones. There's 3 gig. Nothing else really has any render files. So once those are in the trash, you can close Omni Disk Sweeper like so. Quit it if you have to. And then what you want to do is open up your bin or trash if you're in America and just empty it. And by gum, you've just saved yourself so much storage. So that's all deleted. So now if I go to about this Mac, I can now see that my storage has suddenly gone up to 13 gigabytes. So that is how you clear render files, and it can be a real lifesaver because I know a lot of Mac users, if they use video editing software, they have too many render files, and the render files take up all your storage, slow your Mac down, and that's just not helpful for working. So that's how you delete render files. If this video was helpful at all, make sure you smash that like button. Tell me in the comment section below what you guys need help with, what tutorials you want to see next, and I'll see if I can make them for you, or I will link videos so they can help, so you can get your work done faster and be more productive. If you're new to the channel and wouldn't mind clicking that subscribe button, that'd be awesome. And I'll see you soon with another tutorial. Thanks for watching, guys.